Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about an off-page SEO technique which is QR code. And first thing I want to convey is QR code is just a part of off-page SEO strategy, but it is not a complete off-page SEO strategy like backlinks or directory submissions. But in this video, I will tell you how exactly the QR code works and how it will help to get the traffic to our website. So first thing, I will teach you how we can create a QR code, and then once I teach you how we can create a QR code, I will talk how QR codes fit into off-page SEO, and then I will tell you why QR codes are very useful for off-page SEO, and finally I will give you the example for the real-time business click and capture studio. So first we will understand how we can create a QR code in less than 2 to 3 minutes of time. So first I want to open Google, and then I want to search for QR code generator, and then it takes us to this page, and then here we can click on this particular website, free QR code generator, and I want to click here. It takes me to the page, and here we can create n number of QR codes. For example, whenever someone scans for the QR code, they have to redirect to my email ID, then I will be choosing this option. And whenever someone scans the QR code, they have to land on my WhatsApp, then I will choose this option. But in this video, I want someone to land on my website, and that is the time I will be choosing the very first option, which is link, and here I will submit the URL of my click and capture studio website homepage. So first I will navigate to the website, and in the home page I will be taking the copy of the URL, and then I will be coming back to the QR code generator, and here I will paste the URL. Now as we can see, the QR code has been generated, and then we can download the PNG. It is very simple, and also if you really wanted to customize the QR code, it is completely free in this particular website. I want to add the logo of CNC maybe in between the QR code. I can click on the plus icon, and then I can choose the file from my laptop. If I really wanted to add any of the custom images or the PNGs, I can directly click on any one of them. It will be directly added here. And it is completely up to you on how you would like to customize your QR code. And I will just show you how we can keep the business logo on the QR code. I want to click on browse, and then I want to upload the CNC logo. As soon as I upload, it takes maybe 1 to 2 seconds of time, and then the logo has been updated, and it is very simple. And also we can customize the QR code a little bit further. We can add the frames. Let me click on this plus icon, and here we can see different templates. Maybe I want to choose this particular template, so let me click on this template. It just took 1 to 2 seconds of time, and here we got the QR code, which looks very beautiful. All we have to do is we can download the QR code in the PNG. And now it is telling like you can generate unlimited QR codes and keep track of how many people scan them from where and on what date. It is very good, right? All we have to do is we have to sign up. Now I want to click on sign up with Google, and then it takes me to the page, and here I want to choose my Gmail ID, and then I want to click on continue. As we can see, we have landed on this page, and here we can clearly understand how many people have scanned our QR, and then if we really wanted to download this QR, we can click on download. And also remember that we are currently on the free trial, and if you want to upgrade, we can directly click on upgrade, and then we can pay whatever the amount that we want. And there are other ways how we can track the analytics of the QR code, which I will be teaching you in the upcoming sessions. But for now, I want to click on download, and then this QR will be saved on my laptop. Now quickly I want to open the notepad, and then I want to talk about how the QR code fits into off-page SEO. Now off-page SEO is all about increasing the traffic, right? Visibility and credibility of our website from external sources. Now in this case, QR codes. Now when we use the QR code very smartly, we can bring the traffic to our website from online as well as offline sources. So the very first thing that I want to discuss is link to your website. What exactly do I mean? First thing, we can generate a QR code just like how I have showed you, and then we can directly link that QR to our website, or maybe to a specific service page in the website, or even to a blog post. And the second one is we can add the QR codes to marketing materials, which means in the offline, either we can add the QR codes on the posters, so that anybody who have seen the physical posters with a QR code, they can scan the QR code, and then they will be landing directly onto our website. And also we can make a use of the business cards with a QR code, so that anybody who have our business cards, if they really scan the QR code, they can come to our website. The same thing can be applied to brochures, flyers, email newsletters, and even in the social media post, we can include the QR code. So it is very easy and very effective to bring the traffic directly to our website by making an use of the marketing materials. And then the third option is interactive infographics. Now in one of the last video we have made an use of the Pinterest website, right? And here we have created the infographic images, and just like that we can place the QR code in infographics to redirect the users directly to our website. And finally, I want to quickly open the notepad, and then we can share on social media platforms. We can use the QR code in the Pinterest post, or maybe on the Facebook banners, or even on Instagram stories, just to make it easy for all our audience to visit our site. And then I want to talk about include special offers or discounts. It is very much important. We have to offer a deal, like maybe when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio, we can give a deal to the people right below the QR, 10% off on wedding photography for people who scan the QR code and visit our website, and they can make a use of the coupon code maybe CNC10, and then we can track the results of how many people have used the coupon code. It is one of the good way, right? And quickly I want to come back to the notepad and then track traffic. Like I told you, we can make an use of tools like Google Analytics with UTM links, and then we can track how much traffic we are getting from QR code scans. I hope you clearly understand how QR code fits into off-page SEO. Now I want to talk about why QR codes are very much useful for off-page SEO. So the very first thing is we can attract the traffic, which means we can direct the users directly to our website or maybe to the landing page with just one quick scan. And then the second important thing is bridge online and offline. What does it mean? We can make an use of the QR codes directly from the offline materials like posters, or maybe even through the online content, and then it is user friendly. We know, right, scanning a QR code is very easy. It will just take 1 or 2 minutes of time instead of typing the URL, so that anybody who scans the QR code, they will be landing directly on our website. And finally, I want to give you an example for a real-time business Click and Capture Studio, which is located at Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad. So the very first thing what we will be doing, we will be making an use of this particular website, and then we will create a QR code. And then if it is offline, we will keep the QR code on the flyers or maybe on the posters. And if it is online, we will be placing the QR code related to Click and Capture Studio on a website like Pinterest. And while creating the QR, since we are adding the website address, people who ever scans the QR, they will be landing directly on the Click and Capture Studio. And then whenever we create a QR and whenever we are placing either in the offline or online platforms, we must make an use of CTA, which means call to action. Scan this QR code and maybe get 10% offer on your wedding photography booking. By doing this, we can get the traffic directly to the website. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by off-page SEO when it comes to QR code. And if you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to comment down right below this video and I will answer to each and every one of your questions. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, and then if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, you can find all the digital marketing videos in my playlist Digital Marketing on Edurself YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.